Welcome to Kunarkliverocks, part 2 of learning the basics of Java programming. Um, this is jCreator. As you remember from the last video, we were using Hello World to learn the three different types of strings and three different types of variables. Let me say, sorry about that. Which are strings, doubles, and ints. Strings are to print. Strings are to store words, letters. Ints are able to store numbers that are whole numbers, and doubles will store whole numbers or decimal numbers, whichever of your choice. So we're going to start a new file. We go to New File. We want to click Java Class. Select your folder that you wish to put yours in if you are following this video. And we're going to name this file. Let's name it First Step. First Step. So as you remember, in our last video, we had to set up the skeletal structure. So public class, we need that name, First Step. Okay, braces, public static void main string args. And now, what our first step program is going to do is that we are going to display a whole bunch of random stuff just to get a feel for it. You can use this tutorial to start memorizing what each of those variables are, because those variables are really important to learn, because you'll be using it throughout the whole entire Java programming. Yeah, Java programming. Alright, so let's say we want to break up a piece of sentence that we have in our heads, right? And we want to store each piece of those sentences into variables. And let's say we want to print out, I'm gonna use / for comments. Sentence is, hi, I'm Paul. So if we want to break up that sentence and rearrange them, easy, you can use variables to do that for you. There's also another way to break up a sentence like that and rearrange them without using, well, you'll be using variables, of course, but you won't be using the basic string variable. You'll be using arrays, which we'll be getting into later in later chapters. But right now, we're gonna use the string variable. We're gonna do string hi equals quotes hi. Then we're gonna use string I'm. Then we're gonna use string Paul. I am running out of time here, so I will be giving a part 2B, maybe a part 2C. I really need to get a new screen recorder. Have a nice day, people. Please see 2B.